All right, everybody, thanks for joining us here today to take a look at the week ahead in economic data that can shape the markets for us. And we'll jump right in here, but we have some ISM data out earlier today, and that was manufacturing based. It was very positive, continues to show as the trends have lately. Data points have been showing economic stability and growth, and likely pointing towards an economic recovery. But being manufacturing data, it didn't do much to do to markets or interest rates today. The Dow has been continuing its strength throughout the session today. This week is really all about employment data that we'll get on Friday at 8:30 before Eastern Time, before markets open. And along the way, we have a few data points that could make a difference, but everything will kind of likely trade within a tight range as traders start to or get ready for the employment data on Friday. Can't imagine that there'll be a whole lot of buyers, and can't imagine there'll be a whole lot of sellers either, unless some other data that we'll get on Thursday will start to point towards an indication of how Friday's data may look. But along the way, we'll get some more data. So Tuesday, we'll actually get some factory orders. Again, it's manufacturing based, so it's of moderate importance to the markets. And then we'll also get pending home sales, which are expected to show a decline of 3% from the previous month, and again, moderately impactful to markets, and generally low, frankly. But since it is home data, markets do watch that pretty closely lately. Wednesday, of course, we get the weekly mortgage applications data from Mortgage Bankers Association. And then at 10, pretty important data point, ISM service sector data expected to show a reading of 50.5. And again, it is service related, 2/3 of the GDP in service. So that one could be a market mover. If it is more positive, as the ISM manufacturing data was, expect that to be negative for bonds on Wednesday, and vice versa. If it is a little weaker, that could bring mortgage pricing back just a little bit. Then Thursday, we get the weekly jobless claims data. Again, that's expected to show a little bit of an incline, an increase here, 15K for the week before, to a total of 445 jobless claims for the week. And then we get into the big data of the week, which again will be Friday. Non-farm payroll, employment data, expected to show an unemployment rate of 10.1%, essentially unchanged, and everything will be hinging on that. So watch for that. We really do expect traders to stay in a tight range, meaning we probably wouldn't expect the 10-year leading up to that data to go below, say a 378 or maybe even touch a 375, and probably not break out of 385.8 either, unless, of course, during the week, the ISM data comes in really strong. If the stock markets continue to power ahead as they've done today, if we get a continuation of this, you would expect certainly some pressure on mortgage pricing, even going into that employment data. So stay tuned. We'll keep you posted. And then to finish out Friday, we'll get the wholesale inventory and consumer credit data, moderately impactful, but markets will be watching those as well. So those are the data points for the week that you'll want to keep in touch with. We will also, obviously, if you're a subscriber to our rate advisory and rate alert service, you'll get the play-by-play as those unfold, and you get alerts from us before lenders start to move their rate sheets, and so you'll be ahead of that. So make sure you visit us at nationalloanadvocates.com, and you'll find the rate alert service down the left-hand side. And then also, if you aren't already an accredited mortgage advocate, that program also includes the rate alert service. You'll want to make sure that you're involved in that program if you're looking for a way to increase your visibility and trust. This is a great way for you to do that. In addition to, it does include the rate alert and rate advisory service. There's a whole bunch of fantastic benefits. Visit us at our website, and you'll find a link down the left-hand side called I'm a Lender. There you'll have listed the benefits. Too many to list here. And those of you on the program know that. Those of you who are not, certainly check it out today, and give us a call or send us an email if you have any questions. So there's the data points for the week. Certainly, we've got a kind of a Wednesday, a data point with IS in the service sector we'll want to keep an eye on. Weekly jobless claims on Thursday, always impactful, but everything will be building towards Friday for the employment report, so stay tuned for that. And have a great week. Don't hesitate to email or call if you have any questions about where rates are going through the week.